Can HVAC systems help with asthma? Yes, a well-maintained heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system can reduce some indoor asthma triggers, but it cannot cure asthma or replace medical treatment. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems can help by filtering dust, pollen, pet particles, and other irritants from indoor air. A filter with a high-efficiency rating can catch smaller particles, but the system must be designed to handle that filter without reducing airflow. Change the filter as often as the manufacturer recommends, or check it monthly if you have pets, allergies, or a dusty home. Keep indoor humidity between 30 and 50% because too much moisture helps mold and dust mites grow, while very dry air can irritate breathing passages. A useful fact is that many indoor asthma triggers collect in carpets, bedding, and furniture even when the air looks clean, so air cleaning alone is not enough. Ask a qualified technician to inspect the system for mold, dirty coils, leaks, and standing water. Use kitchen and bathroom exhaust fans to remove moisture, and keep windows closed when outdoor pollen or smoke levels are high. If symptoms continue, work with a health professional to identify triggers and follow the prescribed asthma action plan. A common mistake is choosing the most powerful filter without checking whether the system can push air through it. So ask a technician first. Another mistake is assuming a filter removes every problem, so clean bedding, vacuum with good filtration, and fix leaks too. People also sometimes use ozone-producing air cleaners, which can irritate the lungs, so choose a tested particle filter or high-efficiency particulate air cleaner instead. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.